Hello friend, this video is specially made for my student and for professional for their day-to-day work in Excel. Topics covered will be here is mark sheet, subtotal, PMT functions, data table, developer tab, VLOOKUP, pivot charts and conditional formatting, EMI, discount calculation, if statement and macros. So let's start. First I will be teaching you how to make mark sheet in Excel, which is very simple. So first we need to calculate the total marks of the student. We will be going here and click on sum and press enter and double click to obtain the total for remaining student. Similarly for finding average, click on here, click on average, only include the subjects, do not include total in this. Okay, only include the subjects, that is Marathi, Hindi, English, history and maths. Press enter and double click. Remark now will be considering like all the subject 35 marks is the passing marks. So accordingly we will put the formula for remark. So formula will be if opening bracket and click on this particular subject greater than equal to 35 comma, next greater than equal to 35 comma. This you can use for, like, there are different passing marks also. You can use this formula, like for in maths passing marks is like 54. So instead of here writing 35, you can also write as 54 on other marks, like, but here now I am considering all the subjects passing marks is 35. So after completing all the subjects, put a comma after the bracket, shift and put double inverted comma in the bracket. In the double inverted comma it will be pass if this condition is satisfying, pass, otherwise fail. Close the bracket. This bracket which we started here, we are closing at the end. Okay, so see the syntax. If all the subjects are above 35, this will be considered as pass, otherwise fail. There is alternative way also for this formula, which also I will be showing over here. So press enter. See, we have obtained the result here. There is another way. I will put one more row over here and one more column, sorry, over here. This will be like remark again. Alternative way for calculating the same thing. So before that I need one more column for minimum marks. So put here minimum. So here I will go and click minimum and choose your subjects, press enter. Now see, now here in this formula we can directly consider this column. If minimum is greater than equal to 35, the student is pass, otherwise the student is fail. Close the bracket, press enter. You can see we are getting the same result over here with the same formula. So this is the alternative for this formula. Either you can use this formula or you can use for this one. Next one we will be considering the grade. So let's see how to calculate grade. Grade now, if the student should be pass for obtaining the grade. If the student is fail, he will get fail as the grade. So see how to insert grade formula. Equal to if opening bracket and first click on the remark cell. If remark is equal to pass, comma, then click on average cell greater than equal to 75, close the bracket, comma, we will put it as A plus. Need to copy the same thing, so copy this, Control C and press Control V 3 times. Just drag this little bit down. Here now you need to change. Here we will make it as 60. This will be as A. Next we will make it as 45, which will consider as B as per your choice, and here it will be 35, which is pass class, or If nothing is there, we will make it as last one is fail. 1 2 3 4 4 brackets need to be closed, so we can see there are 4 brackets open. 1 2 3 4. So close all the 4 brackets and press enter. We obtain this. So this is the formula, you can note it down. Two things were considered, first was remark and second was average. Next will be seeing the rank. Now if the student is pass, will give him rank, otherwise if the student is fail, he won't get any rank. Before teaching rank, I need to teach you what is constant of cell, how to make your cell constant. Like see, I am entering some number here. I want to multiply each number by 5. So but when I click over here and I click here, you can see these numbers are getting multiplied, but here we are getting 0. Why? Because this cell like M16 is here. Here when we go, it become M17. This is empty. Now I need to lock this cell. So I will select this and press F4. Press enter. Now you can see this has been locked. See, now over all the first beginning cells you can see M16 is there. So similarly we have to use the constant cell, we have to make lock the cell in your rank formula. So let's see how to use rank formula. If remark is equal to pass, then he will get a rank. Rank need to select 2 time average, 1 comma again 2. Close the bracket, otherwise it is fail. Okay, if the student is pass, he will get a rank, otherwise he will get fail as the rank. So make this constant, select this whole and press F4 function key on your keyboard. Press enter button. See, you can see that all the ranks have been obtained. So we have finished with mark sheet. Now let's proceed with subtotal. If you have any queries, you can mention in the comment in my YouTube channel. Let's proceed for subtotal. Subtotal now see, in this calculate using subtotal how many students are for AutoCAD and for other, like see, these are 3D Max, Advanced Excel, AutoCAD. I need to count each and every subject, each and every course, how many students are there. So for solving this we need to use subtotal. So we'll be select this whole data, go in data, and you need to click on subtotal. And in subtotal now there is each change in the course. So use here as course, and here also it will be as count, and here also it will be as course. Course, count, course. So this it will be counting whole this, how many are there. So you have to use the function of count and click on OK. Now you can see all the courses have been counted, 4, 5, you can see one by one. Okay. So that was subtotal. Now remove all the groups. Now there are groups. If you click on 1, you will get the grand total. Click on 2, you will get the breakup. Click on 3, you will get all the same page. Now you want to remove these groupings as there in the question. Go in group, ungroup, and clear the outline. Okay, that's it. This has also been solved. Next is PMT. PMT stand for payment monthly term. In payment monthly term you have to calculate 3 things. First is PMT, next is IPMT, and the other one will be PPMT. So what are all these functions? This is payment monthly term. So let's see how to calculate PMT. Click on this, divide by 12, okay, comma, number of years into 12, comma, minus your loan amount. Okay, so again we will see PMT. First we have taken this rate of interest divided by 12 because there are 12 months. Then again number of years into 12, so 3 years, so again it has to multiply by 12, comma, minus loan amount, and press close the bracket and press enter. You are getting this. So you need to pay 25,813.75 rupees in a month to complete a loan of 80,000 in 3 years. So now, but here I'm not getting bifurcation of like interest and principal amount, so we need to bifurcate from this. So first is now, other is now interest. Now you need to see how much interest I have paid and how much principal I have paid. So this is for interest payment monthly term, and this one is like principal payment monthly term. So let's calculate interest, how much interest we have paid in this. So it will be like IPMT, we will be taking this one, rate of interest divided by 12, comma, this into 12, comma, sorry, we need to change here, we have to put 1 comma, then take this into 12, comma, and minus your loan amount. Now 1 we have put because the syntax of the formula, you can see the syntax, we have to put 1, this is the period for which you want to pay the interest. Okay, it should be in the range of 1, so we have used 1. So we have got how much interest we are going to pay. It is 6,666.67. now we have to see how much principal we have paid in this. So again it will be like PPMT, click on this, divided by 12, comma, put 1, then to 12, comma, minus this, press enter. So this much. When you add it up this both, you will get the same figure which was here. Okay, so this was your interest separated, and this was your principal which I separated and showed you. So this was your PPMT. So this was the formula, you can note down in your book. Let's see now data. In data, this will be showing you like projected sale and other calculation things like for expenses, and we'll be seeing for the growth. So for this we'll be putting the formula, that will be like, in the bracket we'll be putting sales plus sales into expected growth minus sales into expenses. So you will get this much. Now I want to calculate expected growth from 1% to 3.5%. So select this, same formula you need to apply, just click here and press enter. You can note down the formula for this one in your book. So that was like sales plus sales into expected growth, close the bracket, minus sales into expenses. Same formula need to be just copied down. So press equal to and click here and press enter. Select the whole thing, go in what if analysis, data table, and in the row there is nothing, in the column there are expected growth. So we will be choosing expected growth in column. That's it. Choose this and press OK. You can obtain for the all. Similarly, now we need to calculate 2 row input area, so that will be same thing. Select this, same formula, select this table, go here, data table. In the rows there are all expenses, so choose expenses, and in the column there are all expected growth, so choose expected growth over here and click on OK. You will get all the things. So that was data table. Next is developer tab. In the developer tab we will be seeing a template like how to calculate your EMIs. So let's see this. Now to activate developer tab over here, which won't be there on your screen, you need to activate first this developer tab. You need to go in file. In file you need to go for options. In options you need to go for customize ribbon. In customize ribbon you need to check this developer tab. Once you checked it out, you will get this developer tab over here. So let's see what we have to do in this one. So here, create a list box for a loan tenure in months with a value and all. So let's see. So create a list box. Go here and need to click on list box. So here we need to click because it is for the month one. So click here and go here. So here it is your list box, this one. Choose this like this. Right click, format control. In this input range it will ask you select the range here which is given, and in the cell link you need to select the same cell. Select the same cell and click on OK. Okay, you will get this whole thing which was here. Similarly for interest rate you need to click over here, click here, and here you need to put a combo box. So go here, right click, format control, interest rate I already provided here. Select this and click on cell link and select this same cell and click on OK. You will get this. Similarly for spinner box, click here. Now before proceeding that I need to put here 10 lakhs, okay, into this cell. Okay, just press enter and keep. I will show what has to be done. Go here and choose this your spinner button. Right click, format control, put here current value 1, minimum value 1, maximum put 10 lakhs and incremental by 1, and the cell link will be here the same cell, and click on OK. Now you see it is increasing by 1 lakh. So that's why I put 1 lakh, 10 lakh maximum and incremental by 1 by 1. Now the same thing has to be appeared over here. So for that you need to put index formula equal to index and choose your interest one. After that put comma and press your right navigation key from the keyboard like this and press enter. You will get value command like this, value, select this. Now this is showing in this way, change this into percentage. Similarly we will do for this one also using index command. Index, need to select the interest one, put a comma, sorry, need to select the month one, months, put a comma and press your right navigation key and press enter. Again you will get value, just press here, you will get the values over here. Now interest, for interest we need to use the formula loan amount into interest rate. So this is the interest that you are going to pay. For total payment you need to use loan amount plus interest, what we have got. Okay, so it will be coming. Now for monthly installment you can use PPMT formula, you can use the simple formula, that is total payment divided by months. So that was your developer tab. Let's proceed with VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP full form is vertical lookup. So let's see vertical lookup quickly. First you need to take this. So go in data, what if analyze, data validation. In data validation choose list. In the list choose all this thing, press Ctrl Shift and down arrow key. You will select the whole thing and press OK. So you will get all this thing over here. Now for full name and all obtaining over here, press VLOOKUP, select the common number, that is this lookup value, comma, it is telling you to select the table array. So select the table array by Ctrl Shift and right navigation key and down arrow key, press comma, so the whole table has got selected. Next it will be, now it is asking for the column index number. So column index number, it is second. So we'll put here second comma 0, 0 for exact match. Press enter. Similarly for other things also you can do the same thing. I'm just dragging it out here like this. Okay, now here it is not showing the date, need to change the format. That's it, we completed our VLOOKUP also. Remaining topics will be shown in the next video. Thank you.